going to Floatline in Belgium. It's a 12-hour drive. I don't feel like doing it. Let's take this shortcut. It should take me to Eindhoven, which is about 50 kilometers from the festival area, and the plan is to ride the one wheel to the festival. We'll see how that goes. Apparently riding a one wheel in Holland is not allowed. Welcome to Eindhoven. The shortcut was nice, way better than driving all the way here, but I cheated a bit. I took a bus from the airport to the city for two reasons. Why? I didn't eat anything and there's nothing good to eat at the airport. I wanted to be in the city as fast as possible. Second thing, one wheeling should be illegal in Holland. Quite some people told me you shouldn't ride it here. I don't know. There's like somebody that told me it's legal, and at least 3 or 4 people who told me it's not. So maybe it's really not, but we'll find out, because I'm not gonna walk. Let's assemble the battery, find something to eat, and explore. I'm still leaking air from my trip to the US, and my tire is very on the edge of being still good, but I didn't get a new one yet, and my new one wheel is not ready yet. So I bought this thing and it works pretty nice. And we're moving to an unknown direction. I was cruising a bit in the city, not that much. Found a place to eat, checked in a hostel for tonight. And yeah, somebody stopped me and told me it's illegal to do this here. And the guy said this thing is very cool and he wants to have it, but he also warned me that I might get in trouble doing that here. So yeah, apparently what I'm doing right now is illegal. You can't ride a one wheel, you can't pay with a MasterCard, but you can buy drugs. What kind of a country is that? I don't know. I'm moving to Belgium first thing tomorrow morning. And that's probably illegal, I don't know. What a nice creek with filthy water. I checked out a store that sells electric bikes and also one wheels here. They're the importer for this part of Europe. They told me they don't sell many just because they're illegal. While they also have a store in Belgium, they told me they sell at least 5 of them a week because it's legal there. And people love this thing. It's not the first time I'm here, but it's the first time I'm here with a one wheel. There are bike lanes literally everywhere, in the city, out of the city, everywhere you want. And you can do this. I'm not gonna get over with it. It's just stupid. I think I'm kinda safe riding those forest tracks. I'm in the south of Eindhoven. Oh, not so smooth terrain, but got a training for Floatline. Bad tracks is a good training. No more pavement. It's actually smoother than the paved one. Enjoy some Eindhoven trails. I thought I'm still in the city. Seems like I'm not. They make nice sounds when you crash over them. Anyway, my tire is completely gone. Not holding air at all. I need to pump it every time I start riding. Waiting for the new one, but it was totally worth destroying it in the States. Little bit because of the things that I drove over. Some because I was running it low PSI, carrying heavy things with me all the time. But doesn't matter. It must survive this trip, next 4 days, and then can even blow up if it wants. I'm fine with that. I'm back in the city, because just why not? Let's ride, let's have fun. I'm out tomorrow. Old cars and stuff could be fine, but I don't feel like staying in a museum right now. Some cool old cars. Okay, as for now, nobody cares about me. There was one police car going almost behind me. They had an easy chance to stop me, they didn't. And there were two police officers walking near the bike lane that could easily stop me, and they also didn't. So far so good. It's almost night. I decided to do another part of the city, to the Van Gogh bicycle trail. Should be a nice one with some reflective pavement in the dark. I'm almost here. It was 20 minutes one way. This should be the start of the Van Gogh trail. Let's do it. Oh, that's the thing. I think I need to wait for the dark. It's still too early for it to start shining. Should be dark very soon. I think all the photos online are like super exposed and photoshopped so that it looks really cool, while in fact it's nothing that special, but I guess we'll see soon when the night falls. So yeah, on the video there was basically nothing to be seen, while I managed to do some decently cool pictures with custom settings on the phone. If you want to have nice pictures, you need a pro camera on a stand. New day, it's 10:30 a.m. I just started my journey. It's some 50 kilometers, half of which till Belgium border and then half towards the festival area. It's a bit chilly, that's the way to do it. Eating breakfast on a one wheel. It's double illegal, but you know, this is what we like to do. Next place, let's continue. Next place, forest on one side, road on the other side. I could also stop somewhere and explore, but let's just do it in Belgium and be out of this illegal zone. Some kids were shouting at me once again that it's a cool thing. I'm happy they like it. Some nice town I ended up in. That's so nice, but I don't have a place for any. I'm fully packed. I feel like I'm in Italy. Cars on a bike lane. I think that should be the border of the promised land for one-wheeling. Let's see. Okay, I stopped for a few minutes to relax on the border, and now we continue. I made a bit more than 20 kilometers. It's some 25 more to go. Soon I'll need a charging spot. Maybe I can do like 5 more. We'll see. One thing to consider, we're not in the United States where electrical sockets are in every park, and even outside of private houses you can really easily find a charging socket. While here, this is not the case. Yeah, there was one socket, but it was not working, so we gotta continue the search. Next ones don't work. Let's continue. And I got it. Behind some gas station. There are sockets. Almost €2 for diesel and 0 for electricity. I'm all charged up, 97 or something percent. This should be enough to reach the final destination for today. Next place should have some 15 kilometers more. One thing's for sure, the bike lanes in Belgium are so much smoother. I can cruise faster, there are no tiles that are killing my feet. This is just smooth sailing. Next place is 12 kilometers to go, I think. I'm left with the shoulder, full bike lane just ended. Maybe it's gonna get back, we'll see. Just left of us, there's some military airport. Another place, 7 kilometers more to go. The road is getting quite busy. It was not like that before. 5 more kilometers to go. If your feet start hurting while you do very long rides with a huge backpack, just change your feet position regularly to a position in which they don't hurt so much. Because if you continue in a position that's not very comfortable, it's just gonna get worse. So it's better to change once in a while. Next place. I guess that's the place. Should be very close. I think that's the way to the hotel. Well, that's fun. It was actually a sign pointing in this direction. It looks like it's the right way. Nice. I think that's the place. Okay, I found the place that I booked to stay. They said my room is not ready yet, that they will clean it up and I should be back in some half an hour. In the meantime, I'll go to check the festival area. They're making everything in place, but that's the place I need right now. Some sleeping and then we try the racetrack somewhere there. Apparently that's the track. It's not smooth at all. Whoa! And this is the sand track. Not an easy one. But yeah, that's it. I'm here for the last place. The weather forecast just got better, so I guess it's not gonna rain tomorrow. Yeah, it's a fun trail. I'm not used to those, but I made it. So my one wheel can ride this track, and that's fine. I don't care about how fast I am, just wanna do it. That's the festival area. I'm gonna chill a bit more and see you in the evening at the rope ride. Oh, this place is so nice. Did I just book the nicest room in town? Maybe I did. And compared to the shitty hostel in Eindhoven, this is like more than perfect. Terrace, sleeping place, everything you need. Okay, I just had a small panic attack because my charger didn't work. Now what happened? Since I really don't have much luck with this charger, I took it to the States. It didn't work because of 110 volts. Okay, it was my stupid mistake, but second time this charger bailed on me, and it was my mistake, of course, again. While I was putting the charger in my backpack, I had a can of soda inside, and I wrecked the can with the sharp edge of the charger, and of course the soda can exploded and some of it went into the charger. That was a terrible feeling, to find out the charger doesn't work the moment you reach the festival area and this nice place. Okay, what I did with the room key, I took out the screws. I don't have any other tools with me, and around there is the area of the charger that you set up the output voltage, and the chips that measure the output voltage and regulate the output are located. And there was just a tiny few drops of this drink inside there. I soaked this into water and cleaned this area quite a bit from top and also from the bottom of the PCB as much as I could. Then I took the hairdryer from the hotel to dry this area up, dried it up quite a bit, and boom, it works. I fixed this charger and I can't be more happy about it. I asked at the hotel where's the nearest shop, and they were like, oh, that's far. I checked on the map, it's less than 4 kilometers. It's far if you don't have a Onewheel. Hopefully it helps, because I'm tired as hell. From 10:30 AM today till now, this board was either charging or riding non-stop. So while the charger sometimes can't handle the abuse I'm doing to it, this board surely can.
This is my dog.
Your dog? Nice.
Wacht. Press the button. Yes! There you go, man. You build that board.
Yeah. This is
From zero.
0% future motion.
No. Where are you from?
Slovenia.
Okay.
This was a bonus. It was not planned, but the organizer set it up for us. The rope ride in the forest. It should have started at 7:30 p.m. It started at 8:30 p.m. So basically we rode straight into the night, into the forest. The organizer didn't even go with us. He just gave us a map where to go. So it was a bit chaotic. People trying to find a way. The rope ride was actually the first Friday rope ride, because all over the world people do rope rides first Friday in the month. The same I did last month in San Jose with the Float Addicts. It was a sick ride, and many people from all around Europe are here, so it was kind of a special event. Although it was complete darkness in the forest with none of us knowing the road, it was still fun. So as much as this day was terrible when I wrecked the charger, it was amazing now meeting all the people. So let's get some sleep and see you tomorrow on the Floatline.